In this video, we're going to show you how to install the wheels on the lower rack of your dishwasher. So to install your new wheels on your lower rack, it's very, very easy. As you can see on these ones, they're basically attaching to the wire frame of the lower rack. We're just going to take our wheel assembly. We're going to get it lined up in the right spot, and then we're just going to slide it up, and we just want to make sure that the little slots here in the top are going to engage this piece of wire on the rack, as well as the little hooks on the lower end are going to clip on to the wire rack on the bottom. So just bring it up into place, engage those upper areas into that rail, and just push upwards, and you can see where it locks in. And that snapping sound is good. That's those little catch fingers catching the upper part of the bottom rail, so it's locked into place. Put our rack back in. Make sure it rolls nice and easy. Put your silverware basket back in. Slide your rack in. And it's just that easy to replace the wheels on your lower rack.